If your AC or furnace has been acting a little dramatic lately, barely blowing any air, making odd noises, or just feeling off, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly what's included in your $89 AC furnace clean and check, so you know what you're getting and whether it's right for your home.
Get Eco.
Hey everyone, I'm Aaron with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. And as a company that's dedicated to improving and preserving your comfort at home, we believe you deserve clear, honest information about the system you rely on every day. Your heating and cooling equipment work hard, and sometimes it needs a little attention to keep running safe and efficient. Today, I'll walk you through exactly what happens during an $89 clean and check for either your AC system or your furnace, and how to know if it's the right time to schedule one. An eco clean and check is basically a wellness visit for your heating and cooling system. No pressure, no gimmicks, no mystery. Our technicians evaluate the health of your equipment, clean essential components, and run a full performance and safety check. Think of it as early detection for issues that could become expensive later, or that could leave you freezing or melting when you need your HVAC system the most. This is not a repair appointment, and it's not meant to fix major breakdowns. It's preventative maintenance and an honest assessment of how your system is doing. For your AC system, here's exactly what we do. Full system inspection, checking coils, drain lines, electrical components, refrigerant pressure, and overall system health. Outdoor coil cleaning, removing dirt and debris that clog airflow and reduce efficiency. Airflow check, confirming that your system is moving air properly through the home. Temperature testing, measuring how efficiently the system cools. Thermostat check, making sure it communicates correctly with the system. Electrical component test, including capacitor, contacts, and wiring. Drain line clearing, preventing water leaks and system shutdowns. Final performance report, simple, clear, and easy to understand. For your furnace, here's what's included. Burner and flame inspection, ensuring safe ignition and combustion. Heat exchanger check, looking for cracks or damage that could create safety issues. Filter evaluation, because yes, filters matter more than you'd like to admit. Safety evaluation, including gas pressure, carbon monoxide testing, and proper venting. Electrical testing, wiring, sensors, ignition system, and circuit components. Thermostat calibration, making sure temperature readings match reality. Final safety and performance report with our honest recommendations. Report card, our application gives your system a letter grade both before and after our service, so you know exactly where your system stands. Our $89 clean and check might be a good fit if any of the following situations apply to your system. It's been over a year since your last service. Your AC or furnace sounds a little louder than you remember. Your home temperature feels inconsistent. Your energy bills have started to creep up. You want to avoid major breakdowns and expensive emergency repairs. It may not be the right fit if your system isn't running at all. You have a leak, a burning smell, or an active system failure. The unit is at the end of its lifespan, often 12 to 15 years plus. In those cases, a repair or replacement visit is usually the best next steps. Heating and cooling systems work better and last longer when they're cleaned and checked regularly. Maintenance helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, costly emergency repairs, high energy bills, safety issues, early system replacement. For most homeowners, staying proactive with one clean and check a year can make a huge difference in their system's performance. If you're ready to schedule your $89 clean and check for your AC or furnace, you can give us a call or visit us online. If you want to see more home service content like this, consider subscribing to our channel. We will be posting more content regularly. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. We want to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore our channel or our website, geteco.com, to book online, or for more homeowner educational videos. See you next time.